Disclosure. This educational content has been developed using artificial intelligence.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever thought, I have a great idea for a video, but then stopped because you weren't sure how to even start a YouTube channel? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through every single step, from zero to your very own channel. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to upload your first masterpiece. So, grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's build your YouTube dream together. First things first, you need a Google account. If you're using Gmail, Android, or any other Google service, you're already set. Just head over to youtube.com. If not, no worries, creating a Google account is super quick and free. Just go to Google's sign-up page and follow the simple instructions. This account is your master key to the entire YouTube universe, so it's the essential first step. Once you're logged into Google, you're ready for the fun part. Okay, are you logged in? Great. Now, look at the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. You'll see a profile icon. Click on Italiano. A menu will drop down, and you should see an option that says, Create a channel. Click that, and a little window will pop up. This is where the magic begins. YouTube will ask you to upload a profile picture and choose a name for your channel. This is your brand, so give it some thought. You can use your own name or come up with something creative that reflects your content. Don't stress too much, though you can always change it later. Once you've chosen your name, click Create Channel, and congratulations, you officially have a YouTube channel. But wait, we're not done yet. Now we need to make it look professional. On your new channel page, you'll see a button that says Customize Channel. This is your command center. Here, you can add channel art, also known as a banner. This is the large image at the top of your channel, and it has a fantastic way to show people what your content is all about at a single glance. You can create one for free using tools like Canva. Next, head over to the About tab. This is crucial. Write a compelling channel description. Tell your future subscribers who you are, what kind of videos you'll be making, and why they should stick around. This is also where you can add links to your social media or website. Now for the final and most important step. Uploading your first video. Find the Create button at the top right of YouTube, which looks like a little camera with a plus sign. Click it, then select Upload Video. You can then either drag and drop your video file or select it from your computer. While it's uploading, you get to fill in the details. Craft a catchy, searchable title. Write a detailed description that explains what the video is about. You can even include links and relevant keywords here. Add a custom thumbnail. This is the single most important image for getting clicks, so make it eye-catching and relevant. Finally, add some tags, which are keywords that help YouTube understand your video's topic. Once everything is filled in and your video has finished processing, you can set its visibility to public and hit that publish button. And just like that, you are officially a YouTube creator. Tate! Tate City. You've gone from having just an idea to having a fully functional YouTube channel with your very first video live for the world to see. It's an amazing feeling, isn't it? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and you've just taken a huge one. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future tips for growing your channel.